Hold on. Hold on there. Alright guys. Let's see it.
You want a pretty one?
Which one? Oh, Jesus peace. I know one place where I go look, but we're going to go more than one place. And it is so yeah. We're not stay at one place. Alright guys, ready? Oh my god, guys, tap up your screen for me now. Oh my god, guys, tap up your screen for me now. Alright guys, don't tap up your screen for me now, please and thank you. Please guys, tap up your screen. Blue team, tap up your screen, chat. Go back. One. Alright. You like the white one now? The white one look nice. No, this one a closet door. I front one a closet door. I front one a closet door. This one here.
Baby, I like that one.
I'm a free person. I move this and put this over this one.
No, I put it over this one.
Alright. The one in the body no make me not like to you. The one is nice. The one is very nice. I like this. I like the one here for front door for a front part of the house. Nice. This one out more like a side part. Like yeah, more put that more front here to phone room. But I feel more that to step above. Not nice. It's nice, you like it? Yeah, my back there. Yeah, I not black him this while ago. Yes, and it's nice. That one I don't like this boy. We wonder if we go up on one other hardware. We wonder if we go up on one other hardware and go look and come back. I want to go look on the window them. I like this the one. This nice guys. I like this. I really like that way. Yeah. That yeah, I not like. But I could look at one next hardware first and I could go look on the window. Alright, so when she asks much we can look on the window them. Alright, down this one. Alright guys, we're gonna see what we'll find. So we'll look on the window them. See the type of window now. Hey, moderator, black that Wilbur person here for me now. Hey, my name. Hello, everyone inside the window them is? Window? Yeah. Inside. Inside, you can show me please? Yeah, outside. You said, read the person. The sliding.
What color window? They must say if a glass. Alright. They must say like a dark window. think. Hey, you're coming up?
Avenue, other or something beautiful. Alright guys, we're gonna go down one other place and we'll go one other place and see what it is. So hey, black, that's my, oh god, I black me, I try to black him in my fingernail. Yeah. Alright guys, when I say in I chat now with Mika gone over a pet store. Every time he come and say going at people in pet store. No man, I can't take him man. Hi morning. Where Mika? Every time you go, you're not buying an hamster, leave your hamster them alone. No, Mika, wait till we're done. When we're done, fix it house, you can buy.
Buy one. We need him.
You have to go buy the cage
Which
then.
one do I go buy?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, anything they need, I'll go buy them.
Guys, another the mission they will company, you know. Every time he come here saying come in here, so come look for an hamster.
I want a brown and
Target through them if you want, Rod.
when you free, that's when you free. Take you one. Take out the fat one. Take out the fat
How you go buy hamster? You afraid of hamster?
Remember him bite me last time?
Left the hamster alone.
Take one.
Jesus, please. Mika, make we go about the door and come back and next day the hamster, please.
Yeah. Watch out. Wait, you take him. Bite me.
One are cute though.
No, then they're lazy one. Hello. Why do you sound so sleep-minded?
Asleep, must sleep.
Wake up.
You sleep back in bed.
Yeah, I'm very friendly. I don't think. Come. Jesus.
Come.
You see rabbit? It's one black rabbit. Can't see the rabbit thing.
It's a rabbit.
I love rabbits.
I don't like whatever. In time, oh God, me have to circle down. I make circle down. I go have animals, you know. I go have animals in cute.
And I love birds and fish.
It tastes good. Nice to hear about them. Thank you, baby. Thank you. You have a good morning, yeah? She'll come back and take a night.
See octopus, some part of your body have a little slimy taste. You have a next part like chicken, like real. You have a next part like a beef. I think different texture meat there.
Wow.
And when they pull a muscle sleeve.
Yeah.
Like the fuck, you know what I'm saying?
But I'm afraid I run reason I to eat it because me I say I like them as look a pet and next me go eat the pet.
I have one with pet, they say I tell you to kill him in there, they go like kill him in the
Yeah, because you go feel away.
Come on, people tell you to go bush with big beavers. They want so earthy, but after they
Moderator, somebody can block that person.
They rate them different than some them, because they grow fast enough. They grow so fast.
Jesus.
What's bigger?
The moderator not there in the comments, right?
You want to go buy some face?
Yeah, we are going to Avenue now. Sub your chat, yeah. Sub your chat. You can buy pack a lash till the lash come. Wish me lash then naked, you know. Because no man, me buy it. Please, if I can just do my eyelash.
No more people do want them.
But when the pack a lash come, but then now, oh, he drive back come over here, so. What else? Show you buy. Hey, may I wait on the driver? Hurry up. You still a come? May I set to work man them pretty and next me I come. As you can see, may I make sure me set certain things and next me come that side, alright? Yeah, I think more while if you text me on the phone so we can talk personal. You understand? You have my number, you can always text me and talk to me. I talk to you this morning, right? But as I said, I really set this because this is someone I'm supposed to deal with and I'm gonna be there. I'm not make a promise I'm gonna deal with it. You understand? Yeah. Thank you, baby. Yeah, man, you did ask me a question already on the chat, baby girl. Right? You asked me a question. That's what I said, me have a WhatsApp number so we can talk on WhatsApp. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Thank you. I'm selling picnic. Oh, come cross Aki walk. Make Zoe, the car ready. I'm ready. Hurry up.
And it's just the way it landed.
Oh. Yo, make a buy something for my face.
I'm going to get you off here.
Hey, now let me drive you. What me when me a drive? We get check. Them more than got little juice. Yo, it's so hot, you know? I do them buy water, I never buy more than one. Guys, we sub chat as well. Wanna say, guys, just double tap the screenshot. We black out all negative. And when I can't see, I can't go black because I'm not sure I have no moderator. I'm not sure no moderator did there or what. You understand? Yeah. Hey, man, I'm selling now. Hey, people take up your business on social media like a feed them, you know, yeah. Yo, you have to know what you're doing, you know.
You be invested.
Yeah, because me say, you see how the two girls them up there, so you want that to back for the come like a news line.
One side.
No, sir. Hey, baby, want me there? All right, pretty. I'm glad you're there. I'm glad you're there, pretty. Pretty, me I walk back. You have a lot down the chat this while ago.
Yes, sir.
I have anywhere I go.
Oh, slowly, okay. My soup money I look for. Yeah. Too early now, man. Lunchtime. But you know look like you are recording that they already still. So I'm going to get body back and pay phone that. Yes,
Oh, purple fit me? Alright, yes, so that one here.
This one here?
Yeah, filtered.
Yeah, I go just look at part.
Alright. Go on. Alright, guys, so we're at the second spot. Ooh. But I guess I might do some thirsty. Which one? No, so I'm going to buy that drink.
Buy water.
Water in here?
Yeah, I'm buy.
Okay, what? Get what? Grapefruit.
Come on, Jason.
I mean, I like here. I don't like grapefruit, but it's cool. What's that? Oh my God. That cool. Hey, morning.
For after?
Where do I do? When I can see the doors and windows.
Also have some boards.
Okay.
So if you want to send them go straight down, and tell them to show you the doors and windows.
Thank you. Hey, as I'm going to carry plug in the phone. I'm not wait till the day today. Hi, morning. You can show me the doors and windows, please? Doors and windows. Okay. We're in this love together. They want to push on my hose. We're gonna love this life forever. Oh my God, guys, you know what you're not step. All right, baby. All right, we're there. Oh my God. Another guy, so. Okay.
The other one.
Alright, that'll type there. Why you want upset to me have a more buzz?
No? Maybe because I'm first against everything was different.
Yeah, me see doors. Brown.
I see it.
Brown one nice. No, brown one I gonna be front, veranda. Brown one I gonna be veranda settings type. One way you walk come I front door. What wrong with that one here? This. No, but this is kids them room. What you talk about? What that one here for? That one here for kids them room. I kind of like you want up some more though. Where windows?
Oh, the window.
Guys, the brown one if you got front part of the house, whether this is entire house.
Because we pack them way up.
Oh.
The windows like this.
What's the window then the way up this one? Alright.
What do you think? Look at that.
We have regular doors, then we have the regular doors with no glass.
Which one I wear regular one them? I don't really what call it, cause I kids them do this, so I want one glass fan.
Front room?
No, I think this is side room, no so. Alright, let's see.
Plain door. Oh, sorry.
No, I front one. I front. The front room of the kids.
Front.
Yeah, more
Well,
one glass door for them.
Can't put glass on them door.
Eh?
Can't put glass on them door.
No, it's the outside door. Is that an inside?
Somebody inside, outside, they can't see them.
Then now you can't go see them total it be.
Oh, so that's
Yeah, that tall enough. Cause this is no.
Like this is more. Like for a rear door.
I mean no glass. No glass. People can peep in. No glass.
You want to think that some have blurriness in it?
So this.
Not on this location.
Not on this location.
We have more doors in.
Alright, you can check out the price. Alright, me just ask a question. Alright, check out the price. This one, please, and let me know. And the one without the glass. Please, can you do that?
This is 20,200.
20,002?
And I think that is 35,000.
And this is 35. Alright, and the windows?
The windows get the price inside.
Alright, go get the price inside for your window. Please. Alright, guys.
Size. What size?
And them I got make out the
It goes
size.
by size.
Hmm?
It goes by the size. The windows go by the
So they must
size.
measure the size.
To measure the windows.
I remember call him then, come in and go up without this. And not me have to go home with the door and rain. I come board. Alright, ask the lady what the price. Just find out the price of that. Guys, alright, so listen, chat. Hey Jay.
Play match. What? Is that a door?
Yeah, but me like that one if you kiss them, but they must say, oh, me if you choose one without the glass, I can't peep through it. Me like that one here, Jay.
Whoa! Whoa!
But what did have door?
So we can't go cuss and say no on the door now.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
Mm-mm.
That one is nice to do. That one is nice too.
And that one there nice. We feel like everybody that one there. So if nothing are going on in the room, you can peep over and look at no nastiness are going in there.
It's okay.
A front door that?
No, alright. You see to how set up, Jay?
Yeah.
It's like you're gonna step up like them. It kids them room. I got the next to one look up veranda like, right? So this would be the door when you come up on the step to go inside the kids them room.
I see first one.
Man. See first one here.
That one they look nice.
The one here.
But you have to choose which one I want to choose.
Alright, we are consider it. That's nice. That one here nice. I tell you the truth, me like this. The reason why I like this, that's if anybody want peep, you're not gonna peep because there is a thick glass. You look on it, you see thickness size?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can't go have no option for peeping upon the kids them. So I will go with this door. I will take this one. Guys,
21 rows, guys. 21 rows.
Guys, we are back on the 21 rows chat.
21 rows, guys. 21 rows. But why, Annie? That's nice.
Thank you. I don't.
I know, remember saying Annie, I remember saying no kids them now. One kids alone have you know.
One of kids.
Hello. Outside.
Guys, 21 rows chat, please. All right. All right, say 4x4 window for 25,000.
48 by 6. Yeah, the one of them are 48 by 6.
So one on there. So give me other price then.
Guys, super guys.
8 by 6. Guys, we have got some on the triple chat. 48 by 60. You look big though. The one that big. So much? 24? So 48. Thank you, baby. Thank you. What on this?
Hey, thank you.
Guys, I pause the chat. Guys, just please, guys, double tap for me. I come. Oh, somebody tell me I chat to back foot. Queen with the money gun. Thank you, baby. Thank you. She said. Oh, I said goodbye. Yeah, that he say. But this one, you know. No, sir. This too plain. No, sir. Yeah, man, the plain this. I don't like that plain this. Yeah. This remind me they put that one in the back part of the house so they have the back door. Yeah, this remind me of the back door. Yeah.
That too plain.
Yeah, that too. So Jaden said that too plain. All right, Jay, we are gonna go for that one here, right? But watch this now. You know what? Me know one place up in Rapid, right?
Yeah, go go.
One go there go look first. Wanna say?
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah. If I go, me run go for Rapid. and come back and decide. So we are gonna move there. But at 2, at me go take 2 of them. So take one plain one and the next one. So they take a plain one for the back door and take this one for the side door for phone one.
Yeah, alright.
Right? Alright, so we take 2 of them, chat. Guys, thank you.
Hi, morning.
What's up?
Yeah, I go charge up your phone here.
Nah. Alright, go stand. Not just.
Proud of you, mama. Thank you, baby. Thank you, but we are going to go and come back. Yeah, you alright? Yeah, you alright?
Yeah. Alright, Annie, later.
Later.
Yeah.
Next one. Hi, baby. What's up? No, the one where we see I did for 20-something thousand. That the one that we see for 20-something thousand. This one, you know, 30,000. So we are going to make sure say we are spending right 23,000 plus. Yeah, 23,000 plus. So we have to make sure said when we are do something we do it the right and proper way. Right? Proud of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. 23,700. Wow. Chat do not follow with me, man. Do not follow with me. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to other store now, other hardware, and we're gonna see what's there and the more quality and the price, or we can work with it and get a good. You understand me? Yeah. So come, we are going there.
Started? The car started?
Yeah, it started. So we're gonna get to the window. Them know the man them say me have to make them measure the window.
You have to measure it, you know this. Size.
So because them a lick out back the door, they say no, me can just they say me can get this to get the door. Understand? Cause if them a go lick out back the wall of it, so the door thing did to me look short. Super proud of you. Thank you so much, baby. Guys, thank you. Just help me pick out something nice, alright? Help me pick out something nice. Wish we could have get one bathroom, what do you call that? I said we can get one bathroom set. I don't know how much feet in but we are going to look. So I don't get the window, I get the bathrooms, set it up. 1 out of 2. Yeah. So guys, you say if we don't get the window, we get the bathroom set. We not go road and not get nothing. We not go road and not come back with nothing. We not go road with no mistakes and no nothing. So if we don't get the window, we have to go back up, go measure out the window them. We have to take bathroom set, the type of bathroom we want. And door. And we're going on with things. Okay? That's the day today. You in the... Yes. Okay. Yeah, mama, me tell her say me I play the match with you. Me not go back out for you. Not because me busy. But me not back out. Window. Yeah, me not get the window then because them have to go back up go measure him. He said them have to measure. But think me could have just tell him the type what I want.
Anyway, bad man.
He said what that? Hold on. Toilet bowl and face bowl. Yes, toilet bowl and face bowl, of course. That we're gonna get. Yeah, it's have a different size. Oh yeah, you have a different size. That's why you have a different size. That's why I'm gonna make them measure it, right? Face. Alright, no problem. That's where I go get. Yeah. Come here. Can you not fast with me? What the lady I said them say? Can me talk them and answer the person. Looking for Daniel. You said what?
Face basin.
Oh, face basin and toilet bowl.
Yes, when they continue, they go over.
Look at who. Daniel.
Play much.
Who that? What's the person?
Dinga.
Oh.
When I go back up.
But me say face base sound still a laugh off for me. What kind of style that? Thank you, baby. Dana Blaze. No, but me say face base sound still a laugh off for me. Hey, stop confuse my life, you know. Because oh, use Facebook. Oh, alright. We don't know which part to go. Don't play them. We eat them sometime, I swear. We only stop fast road, my man. God know. Same thing though. Some can't just say bathroom set and done. I want to just along out the thing, just say bathroom set no because you want to look a set for the bathroom. So bathroom set, me not have to say toilets. Me not have to say toilet or latrine, you know. Me just say bathroom set. Somebody, when it was done, God know, like what our house, somebody can help me buy one AC. No, talk it true, no. It a go be our home. I feel it house. So somebody can help me to get one AC. I want one AC now, I swear to God, it now go work. Why no? That's why I don't want you over my yard. You think me hard fail me to get an AC, don't come over there. Oh, she said, how much for the AC? Them say them have AC where you can get for $35,000 and $40,000. So, okay, what? Yeah, $35,000 and $40,000. But me I go, yeah, the one they go in my room and the kids them have to go come around, they come get look at AC. Me I give kids them be a fan. Me I give them. Is it how much? Yeah, $35,000. At 77. Oh, I may tell us somebody tell about AC and them say 30,000, 40,000. So, oh, so it depends on the size of the AC then. And the type of AC. Oh, 77K. That's cheap. Oh, that's cheap. How much? How much US? Okay, that about $500 US. But $500 US you can buy it. Yeah, 66 up. Okay. Okay, so she said 45 to 56. Oh, so it depends on the type of AC. Yeah, guys, yeah, me I beg you if you can help me get an AC. But we're not ready for that yet. We are focused on after I reach to the level there. Yes.
Right now. That money, the more I guess of the AC one guess of
the AC one guess.
AC one guess of the
so I'm not part with it. Look here, green screen. We have been 100K is on this come Zoe. Alright guys, we're there rapid now. I don't know if I have any moderator. Moderator, if anybody want to get contact with me, I ask them, please, if you can help me link up with them, sure. Alright, we're sure, yeah, we're going to show you an AC now. We're there one place called Rapid. Rapid have many things here, so. Alright, so, if anybody want, anyone try to get to me, just try to get them contact and me text your inbox. Alright? Pretty, show yourself now so a person can see you. And Brittany, yeah, okay. See that, my guys, show yourself now so people can see if they want to try to reach out to me, please. Yeah, and Simpson have my number, and Thomas. Thomas, show yourself now, please. Thomas have my number. Yeah, please, Thomas, check out if anyone wants to try to get to me. They say them can text me on WhatsApp, please.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, you hold the phone. You can't turn on the camera. I mean, what's the point?
Like a 56. Which one? 56,000. Which one? Yeah. Check on my
You guys are measuring feet.
What is? Pretty much. You see this one on me? This one right here? No? I just like it already on the pan, but different color.
No, I don't want it. No, I put that. Oh, so it's over 20 and
Yeah, that are 27,200.
I don't like your color. That's a check for about the color. You know the color.
Do you like the color, guys? No. Everybody else say no. Yes. No. Oh, you don't like it? Arrange you not. Arrange you not that. Oh, true.
Nobody give it. Nobody.
Ini. True, why kind of dirty too?
Try to find somebody that's going to be first time and they really